So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and are safe. And for those of you all who are here for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti and I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, challenges and whatnot. So if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So today's video is gonna be a really exciting video. Like मैंने एक वीडियो की थी like around May or April एकदम start में channel के the MT's video. So this would be probably the second video of that series if you could say. So मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा products हैं like 6 या 8 महीने में इतने products collect हो गए हैं if you can see like these many products. मतलब in this I'll not review इतना ज़्यादा exaggerated way में, but yes I'll definitely tell you products which are worth buying and which are like waste of money. So in this I have a bunch of mixed products like hair care, skin care, makeup तो इतनी जल्दी खत्म होता नहीं है. So yes I have few makeup products only. Like कुछ products if you are meaning to buy and उसमें आप spend करो money अपना कि नहीं. So yes this would be kind of helpful to you. So yes ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो सकती है, so please don't mind. So yes without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the video. So yes I'll be showing you randomly like जो products मुझे मिल जाते हैं I'll show you. So the first item I got is this Bee Blunt shampoo. This is for like intense moisture and it has jojoba oil and vitamin C. So as it states, it provides intense moisture. That's really true. And like appreciate its bottle. Like मुझे इसकी packaging बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. ये मैंने basically try करने के लिए लिया था, but I have really used it up. पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. Like थोड़ा सा बचा है bottom पे, but yes this is very good. Like this I had purchased with the entire set with its conditioner as well as the serum. So बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है for dry hair. If you guys are wanting to try this, you can definitely try this. And ये आपको sale पे बहुत ज़्यादा amazing deal पे मिल जाएगा. And after using this one, I got this one. I got for my mother. Like see its conditioner bottle. It's like so cute. And this is the voluminizing one, so ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है. So this brand definitely has a variety for every hair type, so you can definitely give it a shot and do let me know if you like it. So the next item is this micellar water from Pond's and it's their brightening rose micellar water. Like I have used it up entirely. थोड़ा सा बचा है. This will also I'll finish up, but I'm trying like some other micellar waters and some exciting like cleansing products, and I really like this one. It has a mild rose fragrance. It is the largest bottle and it cleanses your face really well. अगर आपने makeup नहीं भी लगाया है and then also you go out, you can like pour this in your cleansing pad and cleanse your face. It definitely does a really good job. So the next item is from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. So it's their juniper berry oil free moisturizer. It comes with a pump like this. So मैंने ये लिया था ट्राई करने के लिए क्योंकि I liked Aroma Magic के कुछ products जो I tried earlier, but this one I did not end up liking. इसकी fragrance कुछ अजीब सी है, like it's not pleasing at all. Like because this is water based consistency, तो oil free वाला criteria तो सही है, but still I did not like this. And there are other moisturizers in the market which are really good for oily skin, so I'll definitely not end up buying this again. So next is the toner from Kaya. So this one recently I had told you guys that I have finished it up. So this is basically the purifying toner and it's for acne prone skin, like for oily and combination skin. So it's like good. It does a decent job, and if you guys want to try this you can. It's not that costly also. It's for like it retails for 320 and आपको ये off पे आराम से मिल जाएगा. So people with acne prone skin can definitely give this brand a shot because they do have some amazing product. But I'll definitely like to try other toners in the market, so I'll not repurchase this again. So the next is the face wash which is from the brand Plum and it's again from their acne prone skin type range. So it's basically the green tea face wash which definitely does a really good job. It has like mild green beads sort of thing inside. Like if it's visible, it has green beads in it. So these green beads definitely exfoliate your face like very mildly and gently. So this is really great for oily and acne prone skin, and like combination skin would also do. You guys can definitely try this green tea range if you have combination oily acne prone skin. So I have tried their multiple products and you could give this a shot. So next is again a hair product and it's again a shampoo. So it's from the brand Kaya. So it is their dandruff control gentle purifying shampoo. Like I would say this has worked for me. Like it has reduced my flaky scalp. Like as it states, it's up to 100% visible flake reduction. So ye to nahi hai, but yes, I would say I've definitely seen improvement in that. It has worked on my scalp and it can work on yours too. So yes, you can try this one. So next are the two lip balms that I emptied. First is from Neutrogena and second is the Baby Lips Maybelline OG lip balm. So yes, I cannot get enough of lip balms. So if you guys really want, I could show you my lip balm collection as well. So talking about this one, the Neutrogena one, it has SPF 15 in it, which is for very chapped and dry lips, and I definitely like this one. It's like over 150 rupees, but it does the job. And second is the OG Maybelline, ये तो सबके पास ही होगा, basic cherry lip balm. So you can try these one. The next product is from Mamaearth and it's their tea tree face wash. So this is how it looks. So it states that it controls acne and it purifies your skin and it's for all skin types. So I would say that it is a decent face wash. You can definitely try this one, but I would say that there are other face washes which are better than this one for oily and acne prone skin. For that matter, I would suggest you this one to try first. So the next product is my most regretful buy, I would say. So these are from the brand Scent Botanica and it's their voluminizing shampoo like biotin and collagen range है ये. So Scent Botanica बहुत ज़्यादा hyped था like 1 year ago or somewhat like that. And I thought like let's just try what's the hype about and what's the fuzz around. And I got these two products from their brand and it was claiming too much and I thought let's just try, and reviews and all were also really good. So when I applied this for the very first time, थोड़ा बहुत hair loss हुआ. Then I thought let's just give it a second chance. Like second time also काफी hair fall हुआ. So I thought I'm not using anything new, कैसे हो रहा है? Then I thought ये इसी की वजह से है. And I stopped using. So I thought ये मुझे नहीं सूट कर रहा, might be मम्मी को सूट कर जाए. But she also faced the similar thing and we both have different hair types. So yes, it's a big no from my end because we did not like this. And अब खरीद लिया तो खरीद लिया and it's not that cheap also. Like it's for $5.99. And the conditioner would also be it's for $5.99. ये आपको ऑफर पे भी मिल जाएगा, but why purchase this अगर ये आपको सूट नहीं कर रहा तो ये वेस्ट है. So fun fact, like अब ले लिया है तो यूज तो करना ही है. So I started using this for my pedicure. Like जब भी I need to clean my foot in a hot relaxing tub, I just pump out 2 or 3 pumps from it. And yeah, since then, like you can see, I have emptied up till here. So yes, it's a big no-no from mine. Similarly, I got another product from Scent Botanica and this was the overhyped product, which is their vitamin C like serum. And it is like very expensive. It's around 1400 या over $1000 तो है ये. So I did not like it. Like इसने कोई भी visible difference नहीं दिया मेरे face पे. And I have tried other vitamin C products as well जिन्होंने visible difference दिया है. Like Plum का भी vitamin C आ गया अब तो, so I'll definitely give that a shot as well. But इसने तो कुछ नहीं किया. So I'm not at all saying that Scent Botanica is a bad brand. It's just that it did not work for me. So I would not repurchase this. So the next are the two face moisturizers. One is from the brand Pond's and second is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. ये वाला मैंने अपने last empties में भी दिखाया था and this I really like under my makeup. And for that matter this as well. So this I prefer in somewhat summers because it has a gel consistency and this is a little bit creamy texture. So this I prefer in winters. But yes, both are light in texture. So you would definitely like this and give this a shot. And these are very affordable to try. These both are like smaller variants. You get like larger tubs of these. So I absolutely like these. So the next is a serum and it's the Face Correct Serum from Mamaearth. It has like niacinamide and ginger extracts and it states that it's for acne marks and scars, like it fades away or something. Like niacinamide is for that, but it did not perform utna us cheez pe. I would say this is a good serum for like smoothing your skin and stuff like before makeup. It's like non-greasy, that's a yay for me. But yes, I'll definitely want to try more serums out in the market. And right now I've been using like the Dermaco's niacinamide serum and that I'm liking a lot. So the next product is Good Vibes Rosehip Oil. So this is like a face glow sort of a serum which is very good. So this is their 10 ml bottle and इसमें like 30 ml भी आता है, and I'll definitely buy this because I really like जैसे आप इसको apply करो you will get this glowing skin and it is non greasy at all. Me being oily to combination skin, I am recommending this. It's very good and you will definitely like this. So the next product is a very essential product and it's a body moisturizer which is from the brand Nivea. Like I have emptied so many bottles of these. Like this is their Shea Butter Deep Moisture Serum Moisturizer. So this is like very good. So it's the biggest bottle, like 400 ml, and it's for 375, but you will definitely get this on off like kahin pe bhi Amazon, Nykaa, and so I'll definitely recommend you to try this one. So next is a body wash which is from the Body Shop and it's their White Musk body wash. And like it has a floral fragrance. It's definitely very good. Like last time भी मैंने आपको कुछ Body Shop का दिखाया था body wash, and currently also I am using the British Rose range from them and it's definitely one of my favorites. You could give this a shot. So they have literally amazing body washes and you can definitely try these. So the next two products are from Bath and Body Works. So first is the body lotion which is from the range Aromatherapy and it is the rose and vanilla fragrance. I literally fell in love जब मैंने ये try किया. Like this is expensive, I would say. Like it retails for 1,199, but yes, it delivers that much. Like it smells so delicious. I cannot get over this and I definitely would repurchase this. Like Bath and Body Works पे off आता रहता है. Like you can purchase like flat 799 पे कभी आ जाता है, कभी buy one get one पे आ जाता है. So you could get this on a lower price and I would definitely suggest to try this at least. So second product is also really amazing and it's from the best selling range 1000 Wishes and it's a body scrub. So this also retails for around like over 1500, I would say, but this tube would definitely last you for months and ये भी आपको ऑफ पे मिल जाएगा जब भी ऑफर होगा. And I would definitely state this thing that if they charge you this much, but they definitely deliver the thing, and yes, they have literally amazing fragrances which you should try. So the next product is a hand cream and this is how it looks. It's from the Studio West. So this one I got from Westside and I just got this for trying purpose and I ended up liking this. It retails for 199 and for the price point it's like really good. It smells amazing. It's a thick consistency and it will moisturize your hands absolutely well. So let me quickly show you the makeup products क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा वीडियो लंबी हो चुकी है. So this is the first compact that I had ever bought and it's from the brand Maybelline. And this is how it looks and I have already hit the pan. ये sponge और mirror के साथ आती है. So yes, this is like अब तो expire हो गई है but I had just kept this as a memory. So yes, second product are the liners which I got. So this one in particular I got from the local market, which was my first pen liner and it was like good. It still works. Okay, it's dried but yes, somewhat it works. So this was my first pen liner and the second is a liquid liner which is from the brand Swiss Beauty. So this one also I got from a local store only. Tab to Swiss Beauty was not that much famous. This one also is very good jet black liner and ये भी almost dried up है. So the last product and my most favorite products are these lipsticks. So I'll show you. These two are like OG जो मैंने पहली बार ली थी. So these are from Lakme 9 to 5 range. This is the first color which is a orange sort of a color जो बहुत ज़्यादा in trend था. And next is a very pretty muted brown sort of a shade which would really look good. So this is how it looks. It's a very pretty brown shade, brown mauvish pinkish sort of a shade which really looks good. And ये तो अब शायद expire हो चुकी हैं. So yes, I'll definitely not use this. And the last is Sugar's Smudge Me Not lipstick which is in the shade 26 Rose Repose. So this is how it looks. So I've used this up completely. Like ये पहली liquid lipstick होगी जो I've used it up entirely. And it is a really pretty shade. So yes, this is how the shade looks like. If you guys are into like pinky sort of colors, you would definitely like this. And this range is a bit drying, I would say, but it definitely has some amazing colors. So you should definitely give this a shot. So yes, that is it for this video. Hope you all liked it. And if you did, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And until then, take care, stay home, stay safe, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye.